All right, Jurassic jungle boat ride. Follow us. Hey everybody, so today we are here in Pigeon Forge at the Ice Capades. You see the icicles hanging there and the waterfall coming down. No, we're actually at Jurassic Park ride. About ready to go in, and there's our Steph-N-Lee. It's a little on the chilly side, isn't it, hun?
Yep.
So I'm not using our normal camera, I am using the phone. We're gonna see how this works. And so far it's been really slow. But we've never done this.
No, out of how many years have we been
Coming down here? A lot.
9-10 years.
Yeah, something like
This is
that.
the first time we've been on it. We've heard so much about it. We thought we have to try to do this.
So it's pretty dark. Now it got darker. And okay, here we go.
And we're celebrating our 21st anniversary.
Yeah, anniversary of when we first met.
It's pitch black dark.
Yeah. I do see exit signs, but that's
You
it.
can hear a lot of groaning.
Oh, there we go.
Oh.
Oh.
And the spotlights come up.
And stuff, yeah.
Interesting.
Oh, can't see him now. That quick.
So a T-Rex. Oh. I don't like these. I don't like these snake things. That's what I don't like. Nope.
But you do like that.
I love that. Yeah. I love that little sweetheart. Ceratops. Triceratops. Pitch black dark again.
Yeah. Lots of darkness. And lots of stopping for no apparent reason.
Well, keep just creeping along,
Inching.
This is a water ride on a boat, by the way.
Yeah.
Through a tunnel.
That it is. Oh, here we go. We're moving again.
I just feel like there's a jump scare somewhere.
Oh, there's a pterodactyl.
Oh,
That's pretty cool. There's a guy over there.
it's got a person in its mouth. Or by its feet.
Yeah, by its feet.
The sounds are pretty ferocious.
Yeah. Of the brakes or of the
I
dinosaurs?
don't know if it's the brakes.
I think these guys over here are fighting.
They're playing. They are playing. Oh, there's something in the water. Something's in the water.
Oh. Let's see, what a time for the boat to stop. We're gonna get eaten alive in here.
I don't like the snakes. The snakes are everywhere in here. And they're scary looking.
Mom and Dad.
Oh shit, that one's coming.
Does feel like there should be a jump scare, but
Well, that snake was a jump scare, babe.
did it get you?
It made me jump. It worked.
Back into the darkness. Oh, he's ugly looking.
Oh, look at its claws going. Oh, there's a storm. There's a storm coming. I think little kids would really enjoy this. If they love dinosaurs, this is be thrilling for kids.
Yeah, or they'd be scared. Look at that mouth of teeth. He's cool looking.
I do believe that the dinosaurs are well done. I think that they're very, very well artistically described and projected. I like it.
I'm glad they're all on Steph-N-Lee's side. Because these guys look hungry.
I get the 1980s special effects kind of thing, like Gremlins effects. That's my gut. You're a cutie.
That sounded like a lion.
Oh, wow. That's the mother of all pterodactyl. Oh, this isn't going to be good. That looked like a massive worm body or something.
It did.
Okay, so my hair just got like caught by the wind and blew a little bit, and I was about ready to scream. Just because it grazed my face. I think we're done now, baby.
Yep, I think we're heading out. Okay, so we were wrong. Right here, sitting at the end. The sound effects kill me.
It's very 80s. It's very 80s, right, honey?
Yeah.
Good. This guy's gonna come out at us. Look down a little bit. I just saw that.
Oh, that guy. He's hiding in there.
There's a jump scare waiting to happen.
Yeah, literally the door to get out is right there, but we've been sitting here for a minute.
Let's go out.
Oh, here we go. We're inching forward now. I'm waiting for him to do something, but no. It's closing. All right, so what did you think of the Jurassic boat ride?
It was a heck of an experience. So I love the 80s, and it really reminded me of a fun ride from the 80s.
Or one of those B movies?
It reminded me of Gremlins, actually.
Oh God, no, I didn't see any gremlins in there.
I just thought it was really cool for smaller kids that really love dinosaurs.
Yeah, it wasn't. I mean, it wasn't. I expected it to be really bad.
It was not really
No,
bad.
no.
It was fun. It was a
was
good
fun.
experience.
Yeah.
You and I, we love nostalgia, and this to me is a nostalgic ride.
Right.
It's one of the last of the Mohicans to me.
Yeah, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe. We want to thank everybody for watching. And until next time,
Have a Steph-N-Lee day.